The president of the pig manager.
What are you talking about? I'm not the president. I am the president of the Apple industry.
Apple juice.
I hate wearing this. It's so suck, you know. Hey, assistant, why don't you use this? You're just my assistant, you know.
You
That was a helmet.
didn't know that, so
You know that? Why is they are laughing, you know.
Let's go, boys!
Let's go! Go home! Let's go home!
Everybody home!
Everybody home,
What's up?
Hey, Sikilas, that's what I'm talking about.
There's something wrong.
Hey, Sikilas, is not allowed in this room. So get out.
Mga nabasag yung buko ko, wala akong helmet. Oh, let's go, boys! Let's ride!
Let's ride.
Papa, are you gay? Papa, are you gay?
No, I'm not gay.
Let's
You're
ride.
supposed to be what?
Pero yung Maribela.
Nagdapalan,
Nagdapalan eh!
Take two. Take two, please. Take two. Take two. Pause it.
Take two. Yung
Ako
mali,
naman ang-
version natin, yung...
Ayun. Buwara.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Hey, Sikilas, is not allowed in this room.
Ito fail.
You look epic fail, you know? Epic fail!
Mga boys, kunan niyo ito, baluktot kay Kevin. Pare, baluktot ni Kevin.
Ayok.
Bigat na nga
Wala
yun.
ka lang kawaya sa kamansanas. Di ba ano ka, manager ka na Apple?
Where's the apple?
Hindi, yung version na...
Apple?
Yung version...
Apple baka mo?
Yung version
Apple
natin.
testy ka na lang.
Ikaw, chairman, manager.
What happened to this thing?
Takina mo, eh.
Ay, malamig.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, kanina pa.
May namin parang nakulmay katawan.
Ang pasete na ko. Pasete na ko.
Parang nakulma.
Hala.
Uy, nahanap na ako sa amin.
Ay, kala mo duyan. Duyan.
Kevin, huwag mo na kasing talon. Pare, pag-aral mo sa
Ano, feeling dulo, parang magnitude 8.9, no?
Don't ever use my iPhone from calling the Lorraine, ha?
Kevin, yung version nila lang.
Ayop!
Ang version niya ng English.
8.9 magnitude!
Ay, dyan pala kayo sa maliwanag.
Oo nga.
Magsasagutan muli kayo.
Wait,
Ako na. Please cut it. Direct cut. Wow, may picture.